there's going to be a water crisis in Delhi. So hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down to a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is dry taps for 4 days, buying water, desperately seeking a shower in Delhi. Now, water is something we use every day, we all know that, drinking, bathing, cooking. But cities like Delhi are facing a water crisis because too many people are there, less rainfall shortage, overuse of the groundwater is happening. So, demand is increasing, but supply is not. What exactly is this whole article is saying? Delhi is running out of water. Water demand is much higher than the supply, and many areas already face shortages in the summer. Now, future could be worse if not managed properly. See, there is the over dependence in the groundwater. Now, we are overly dependent on the groundwater. People are extracting too much water from underground. Groundwater is not recharging fast enough, like withdrawing money from bank without depositing anything. Now, there is poor rainfall use. Delhi gets rain but not stored properly. Drains always drains away as a waste. It is a big opportunity which is being missed. Now, there are urban problems as well. What are the urban problems? Rapid urbanization, no more buildings, less soil, less space for water to seep into ground. Pollution also affects water quality. And last is climate change. Now, climate change makes it worse. Irregular rainfall, heat waves increase water demand. Now, there are multiple dimensions of this. Let us understand. First is the environmental dimension, that is depleting groundwater, climate change impact, pollution of water bodies. Then there is an economic dimension to it. Water shortage affects industries, increased cost of water supply, tankers, treatment. Then there is a social dimension to it. Now, inequality, rich gets tankers, poor suffer. Now, water conflicts between states like Delhi versus Haryana and UP. And then there is a governance dimension. Poor planning and leakages in pipelines, weak implementation of rainwater harvesting. Then there is a technological dimension to it, that is need for recycling wastewater, smart water management systems. Now, this topic becomes highly relevant for UPSC examination. Why? For in GS paper 1, urbanization and its challenges, GS paper 2, interstate water disputes, governance issues, and GS paper 3, this becomes highly important, water resource management, climate change impact. And see, Delhi's water crisis is not just about scarcity, it's about poor management, rising demand and climate stress, requiring urgent sustainable solutions. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.